Hey guys, it's TNN, and today we're going to have a look at the Eufy Solo Cam, the S220 Twin Pack camera. And we're going to go ahead and unbox it in this video. Now, we've already gone ahead and unboxed the Eufy security doorbell, model number E340, which was the dual camera doorbell. And then now we're going to go ahead and unbox the outdoor camera system. So I'm changing all my system over from Ring to Eufy. Main advantage is there is no subscription fees with Eufy. Their devices come with 8 GB of internal storage, so you don't need cloud storage subscription, and you do get for free cloud storage thumbnails that get sent to you. And of course, if you do want cloud storage subscription, you can do so with Eufy, or you can also buy a home base which stores like, I think, like 1 TB, 2 TB, maybe even more of storage for the cameras that you have. So you could just buy a home-based system as well, but we're going to just use the 8 GB internal storage because that's more than enough for a few days worth of videos. And this one here is the solar camera, so tiny but mighty with continuous solar power. So this is what they call, well, a lot of people have been calling the forever outdoor camera, the forever camera. Apparently it never dies. It uses very little energy, and the solar power actually charges it up straight away. So here we have the actual device anyway. It's wire-free, 2K resolution security camera, so of course no wires, only uses solar power and battery. We got IP67 all-weather protection, and it works with Alexa and Google Assistant. Then we've got pictures of the Eufy here, the Eufy security app, and a few little features over here. So continuous power, non-stop security, stays tough in any weather, 2K is the key in detail, 100% wire-free, advanced human detection, and local video storage. Now, when it's paired up with a home base, you can improve the AI detection, and it will actually detect exactly who it is. So it uses facial recognition, and it will tell you exactly who is at your front door. That is only if you get the home base. So let's go ahead and let's take out what we got in the box over here. We've got 2 cameras. We've got what looks to be wiring to just charge it up. So we've got a USB Type A to USB Type C. So it's great to see that they're using USB Type C to charge up the device. What else do we have here? We got 3 wall plugs and 3 screws, and another pack of 3 wall plugs and 3 screws, of course, for both the cameras, and 2 of the mounts for the cameras as well. And they're really simple mounts. This just threads into the actual camera. This section over here is what you will drill into the wall and actually mount onto the wall. It actually just unplugs like this, whereas this bit just stays in like that. So you'd get your 2 screws here, your wall plug, you screw this into the wall, and then you literally just screw it on like so, and then you can use the mount like so. Really easy, really simple, not much really to it, in all honesty. If I plug this back in as well, so it goes slots into these slots here. Like so. And then you can angle it all around and then just tighten it to where you want it to go. Pretty easy, pretty simple to use. Let's go ahead and have a look at the 2 cameras. So here we've got the 1 camera. They are really tiny actually, I'm actually quite shocked. Here we go, so we've got the sync button over here as well. If you undo this tab here, we've got the USB Type C charging connector, and of course when you're not charging it, make sure it is nicely sealed to keep that waterproof protection. We've got your speaker out here as well, and it also has a mic as well, which I'm assuming is probably embedded in the speaker or maybe in the front. We've got a lovely pill over here. Let's go ahead and take this pill. Love a good pill. Here we have our camera. Right over here, looks like we've got a little LED lights. These may be the microphones, infrared sensor, and we've got the actual camera in front as well. Here we have the actual solar panel, which we can peel off as well. And there's our solar panel. Really nice sort of like textured material there. It doesn't even look like a solar panel. It's like a textured sort of plastic material, really cool. And that's the thread for our mount, which simply just threads in like so. There you go, really. So really easy, really simple. And of course the second one is the exact same as well. So stay tuned for the review video when I've set it up, and I'm going to try it out and see how it performs and stuff, and we'll do a little review video as well. We'll see how it partners up with the E340 doorbell as well, which is this one over here. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and all the links to the other Eufy videos will be down below in the description. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, it does come with a user manual and also a camera mounting screw positioning card. I recommend using a 5.95mm drill bit, which is obviously around a 6mm drill bit, and you've got these positioning stickers to help you out, so that's great.